Using a tape measure and grease pencil, start by measuring the center of where the decals will be placed as specified on the vehicle layout sheet provided. Then mark that point on the vehicle. Measure and then mark 2 additional points where the top of the decal will be placed to create guide points for installing. Once you have determined and marked the guide points on the vehicle, prep the graphics by folding them in half, taking special care not to crease the actual decals, and mark the center point on the transfer tape with the grease pencil. Slowly remove the backing from the transfer tape to ensure that only the backing tape is removed, not the decals themselves. Position the decal by aligning the midpoint on the transfer tape with the center mark on the vehicle and the top of the decals with the marks on the vehicle that specify the height. Once the decals are aligned, recheck the measurements to ensure accuracy. After ensuring the accuracy of the measurements, firmly press the applicator to the center of the decal and push out towards the sides to release any air from under the decals. Move the applicator in all directions to thoroughly complete this process. Once the decals are firmly adhered to the vehicle, slowly peel back a corner of the transfer tape at a 180-degree angle parallel to the surface of the vehicle to remove it. Be careful not to pull any of the decals from the surface of the vehicle while removing the transfer tape. Use a clean cotton rag to wipe off the guide marks from the grease pencil from the vehicle. Using the heat gun, heat the decals to remove air bubbles and reduce adhesion setting time. If air bubbles remain after heating, poke a hole in the air bubble with an X-Acto blade and use your finger to press the air out. You have now completed the installation process.